3-ingredient cheesy bread, 2 cups of self-raising flour, 1.5 cups of milk and a good handful of grated cheddar cheese. If you're on the Slimming World plan, you could use the cheese and the milk as your healthy A. Add the milk to the flour and you're going to whisk it until nearly all of the lumps are out. Now at this point I used a mug instead of a cup and you'll see what happens later. Pop in any cheese that you prefer. I just happen to have this, so I threw in a good amount. You're then going to mix all that in and pop it in a tin. It was at this point I realised I should have used a cup and not a mug, but if you want to make 2 loaves, do exactly what I did. If you want to make just the 1 loaf, use a cup. This was the first one that I made. I added sun-dried tomatoes and olives, and that's the second one, look! What would you add to make these different? Honestly, I was so pleased with them both. I can't believe I got all that out of that mixture. If you're on a budget, this is a perfect way to be baking. Please give me a like and a follow if you like this type of recipe, but look at that. It was amazing. The only thing I would change, I probably would put some salt in. It needed a little bit of seasoning, but what would you do differently?